Welcome to PracNet's training video. In this video, we are going to go through appointment scheduling. To set up the appointment book for a new or existing provider, select Setup from the main menu, Appointments, Appointment Scheduling. Select the provider whose appointment book you are wanting to set up. Right-click anywhere in this white box and select Add Schedule. A new main schedule will appear. Select the start date when you'd like to start the schedule from, and a finish date when you'd like the schedule to end. Select the reoccurrence. So for example, if I have a doctor working Monday to Thursday one week and every second Friday another week, we would select the bi-weekly option. You may also enter a note, and this is optional. Once you've entered your details, select Save and then Close. You will now see the template we have just created, and you'll see the week 1 and week 2 tabs. I'm going to set up Monday to Thursday schedule under the week 1 tab, and I'm going to set up my Friday under the week 2 tab. This may be different for you depending on when you are starting your schedule from. To add the working times for the provider, you can either right-click on the start time and select Add Appointment Schedule, or you can click on the start time and drag the mouse down. Then right-click and Add Appointment Schedule. Select the working option and select Save. You can now see that from 8 AM to 12 PM, we have this provider on a Monday as working. To save time, you can also select the working block, copy, and paste to another day. PracNet will only allow you to paste once, so if you require multiple days to have the same working blocks, you'll need to select the working block again, copy, and paste. To enter breaks such as lunchtime, select the time you require. You can either right-click Add Appointment Schedule, or we can drag our mouse down and then right-click and Add Appointment Schedule. I'm going to select Break, and as a note, just type in, this will be my lunch break. Once again, if the break is going to be the same across multiple days, you can just right-click on it, copy, and paste. You can repeat these steps for the rest of the week. If you leave a column blank, PracNet will register that day as a non-working day. Now we are going to set up our every second Friday. First, we select the week 2 tab. You will need to repeat the same step as shown in the week 1 tab, but this time we are going to add in our Friday also. Once you have finished setting up the columns, close the Appointments Book Scheduling screen and open the appointment book. And now we'll be able to see that our test doctor has their appointment book set up for them. You will notice that on the Thursday, we cannot see our test doctor. That's because we didn't set up anything. Now, if we check every second Friday, we should be able to see that our test doctor is working. And that is how we set up the appointment book scheduling for a new or existing provider. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more training videos, please visit our website. Thank you.